Well, you found your way to RowlandBarkley.com. At RowlandBarkley.com, we have the resources for you as a master musician, master creator, scientist needing a breakthrough, especially highly creative people in the normal level of pain, distress, and conflict that they find themselves in such a highly energetic, active business. You have come to the place where you will find solution to all of those problems. This video is holographic timeline, access to the field of genius, past, present, and future. Now, of course, as any highly creative person knows, there isn't just linear time. You suddenly wake up and you need to do something that you'd thought of maybe 20 years ago, lifetimes ago, and you're doing things to develop in the future, things that you practiced, accessed, studied in the past are only going to be needed in some surprising event in the future when you had suddenly prepared yourself. Therefore, we experience time as linear and holographic. And the apparency of linear time to produce something successful requires that you also simultaneously have access to holographic time. I can help you with this. I can help you connect the various types of time experienced by spirit, and there's other various types of time experienced by body. There's the linear clock time of the body. Many types of genius that are cellular, for time that goes back for countless thousands of years. And many crazy things that you don't need also go back on the body line for countless thousands of years. And for those that wish to consult how to coordinate all these time frames together so you produce your genius results, as a master musician, as a scientist who's ready for that breakthrough, to know that you will break through and then focus and then do it, I can help you access not only your own genius but those of others who have been there before you, so you stand on the shoulders of giants, expanding your abilities in an unknown way, in a powerful explosion of abilities which bring an implosion of self, focused, ready to the task. You may book a session, or you may dream and focus, and as you dream, as you go to sleep, focus on what will it be like when you bring all of those faculties of yourself and other geniuses together. Thank you for arriving at RowlandBarkley.com.